I would like to show you the Roland VR-3 AV mixer. The VR-3 is an easy-to-use portable production device with a 4-channel SD video switcher with a computer input, a multi-view preview display and a touchscreen interface, and a full-featured 8-channel audio mixer. It connects to a Mac or PC by USB for easy recording or live streaming to the web. It's ultra-portable and even battery compatible. The VR-3 puts all of that into one convenient and easy-to-use AV mixer. Let's look at how to use the VR-3, starting with the video switcher. On the back, the VR-3 has 4 video source inputs for cameras, DVD players, or other SD sources. A PC input can be used as an alternate input on channel 4, with auto switching or user selection of either input. 2 video outputs and an output for quad multi-view preview are found here. So with some sources connected, let's see how to use the video switching. First, select a transition type, cut, mix, or wipe. This is the mix function. Then, select any of the video sources using these buttons. The built-in preview monitor displays a multi-view of 4 inputs. You can use this preview monitor as a touchscreen to select inputs. First, select a transition, such as a wipe, and then touch the screen. Direct selection this way is so easy to use. The built-in monitor can be used in several other ways. You can preview your 4 video sources, you can see your output, or overlay the output in front of your 4-source preview. The monitor also functions as a display for setup functions of the VR-3, including the video and audio effects functions. The video switcher in the VR-3 offers video effects for combining more than one input. Select picture-in-picture or split mode, and then choose a background source on the touch display and select the foreground source on the buttons. You can set up the picture-in-picture position with your finger by simply dragging it around on the preview monitor. The split allows you to split the screen vertically or horizontally to show separate sources on each half. You can use the key effects to superimpose one image over another. For example, a PC title over any video source, or lower third of frame for text and graphics. Or you can superimpose a person in front of a computer graphic. Let's take a look. The Luma key function uses a black area or a white area as the superimposed image. This makes it easy to use text, titles, or logos from your PC placed in front of any video. The chroma key function uses a color such as blue or green. Here we have an announcer in front of a green screen, and it's easy to place that person in front of a computer graphic. Now let's look at using the audio functions. The VR-3 has 4 mic line inputs with XLR and 1/4-inch combo jacks. Here are the phantom power switches for those. You find a stereo line input for camera mic, DVD audio, etc. The stereo mini jack for PC audio is also suitable for inputting audio from an MP3 player. Here are your main audio outputs on RCA and 1/4-inch. The front panel has 2 built-in microphones, perfect for capturing narration from the mixer operator or for getting that room ambience. 4 faders allow you to set the volume level of the 4 mic line inputs. Those channels also have controls for input gain, high and low EQ, and pan for left-right positioning. There's a fader for the stereo line input. 2 knobs control the input levels for the PC input and the built-in microphones. The master output level has a dedicated fader And then here, the VR-3 has a separate level control for the USB output on the back panel, and another for the headphone output that is here on the front of the VR-3. Audio setup allows you to configure the audio effects. In this section, you can turn on high-pass filters to remove rumble from the mic line inputs. Every input has a selectable noise gate and reverb send amount. The audio output can have a noise suppressor to remove background sound, perhaps the sound of air conditioning in the recording room. An enhancer is available to improve the clarity on muffled sounds. A master low and high EQ is also adjustable. The VR-3 makes it easy to send produced video to your computer for recording or live streaming to the internet. Connect the VR-3 with a USB cable to your Mac or PC, and it installs as easily as a webcam, but with professional quality video and audio. No drivers are necessary. Windows and Mac OS both already have native drivers to connect the VR-3. Just connect and start using the VR-3. Any video software that accepts an AV stream from USB can receive the main output from the VR-3. Any web streaming application can upload the stream from the VR-3 directly to online services. You can choose the streaming service that suits your needs, from simple and free apps to full commercial multicast systems. These logos represent a few of the many that you could use. The VR-3 also connects by USB for straight-ahead video recording on the Mac or Windows PC. To record to a Mac using QuickTime, first choose File and select New Movie Recording. Click the triangle in the transport control bar to choose the VR-3 as the video and audio device. The recording will be saved as a QuickTime movie that can then be edited or uploaded. Here is recording using Windows Live Movie Maker. Choose Webcam Video. Windows Live Movie Maker will ask you to select your source, then simply hit record. The resulting recording will be saved as a WMV file that can be edited or uploaded to the web. A very exciting feature of the VR-3 is its portability and battery compatibility. The VR-3 is the same size as a sheet of paper. The Sanyo Eneloop battery pack, sometimes called the pedal juice, was developed to power Boss pedals but can be used to power the VR-3. So now let's look at how we can use the VR-3 in some typical applications. The VR-3 is perfect for recording and webcasting of conference sessions or teaching lectures. We can connect several cameras, 2 microphones, handheld or perhaps a wireless clip-on, and the presenter's PC as input sources. We might use the built-in microphones to add a little bit of natural room ambience or response of the audience. The video mixer can switch between cameras and computer presentation, or a camera can be placed as picture-in-picture with notes from the PC presentation. The audio mixer can control the volume of the presenter's mics. The built-in mics add a bit of the live room ambience. The main output can be recorded on the computer or streamed to the web for a live webinar. The VR-3 is perfect for supporting meetings and breakout rooms at conferences. The audio mixer is the same specification that is often rented for these types of events. The video mixer allows cameras to be connected along with the PC to record the meeting to a computer. The PC through allows the full resolution computer signal to pass through the VR-3 to a projector, while it's also available as a source for the VR-3's mixer. While the VR-3 is connected to the PC for recording or web streaming, the PC through can send the presenter slides to the projector and the audio output can send to the PA system in the meeting room. For many meetings, the VR-3 is the perfect all-in-one audio and video mixing solution. In a church application, several cameras capture the meeting. A computer provides song lyrics display that is sent through to the video projector for the local congregation. Microphones and other audio sources come to the VR-3 from the front-of-house mixer. Outputs go to a DVD recorder for archiving or duplication, and the USB port makes live online streaming easy. For school sports, connect a PC with team logos and statistics, and several cameras to capture your event. The announcer's microphones can easily be added. Main audio outputs could be connected to the local PA system. A PC is connected by USB for internet streaming or recording the game. All sources can be sent out via the USB port of the streaming encoder for a PC to record or broadcast a game live to the internet. The video mixer can switch between cameras, or the computer input could be used to overlay player statistics. The audio mixer can control the volume of the announcer's mics out to the local PA system and direct to the webcast. The portability of the VR-3 makes it possible to even take it to away games. Or perhaps record sports practices using the split screen view to examine two angles of a player's throwing motion or a golf club swing. The VR-3 integrates well with a larger system in a live stage event, such as a concert or church service. The VR-3 adds independent control over archiving and streaming to the web. Computer graphics and cameras are connected to a mixer for use in the live venue. In this case, we show a Roland LVS 800. Loop-throughs on the video mixer bring those individual sources to the VR-3. Audio comes either from the front-of-house venue mixer or is split via a broadcast mix. Main outputs of the VR-3 are sent to a DVD recorder for archiving or for duplication after the event. The same main output is sent out of the USB port for easy live broadcast to the internet. On the VR-3, we can select sources from the live venue video mixer, whether original sources or the main output of that other mixer. With camera sources looped through that venue mixer, you can choose any camera source even while that venue is displaying a different source. Those are just a few examples of ways to use the VR-3. You can use it for conferences, distance learning, church services, college internet TV stations, concerts, legal depositions, radio stations adding video simulcast to the website, quick and easy online store product demos, press announcement events, college or high school sports. There are just so many more ways to use the VR-3. The combination of so many features into one small box makes the VR-3 an AV mixer that is convenient and portable. Optional battery operation lets you take it places that other AV mixers just can't go. The VR-3 is easy to use, and it connects so effortlessly to many software applications. Check out the VR-3 AV mixer for visual production, live streaming, and recording.